Welcome to Fedisa Company. We specialize in luxury wooden ceiling design, manufacturing, and installation. Our exclusive collection features premium quality wooden ceiling solutions that bring warmth, elegance, and sophistication to homes, villas, hotels, resorts, offices, restaurants, and luxury commercial spaces. Our wooden ceilings are crafted using high-quality wood and advanced manufacturing techniques, ensuring exceptional durability, stunning aesthetics, and long-lasting performance. Each ceiling design is carefully developed to enhance the beauty and character of your interior space while creating a rich and luxurious atmosphere. If you have a specific design, drawing, layout, or custom requirement, simply share it with us. Our experienced team can create fully customized wooden ceiling solutions tailored to your exact specifications and architectural style. We offer a wide range of wooden ceiling designs, including luxury wooden ceilings, modern wooden ceiling designs, decorative wooden ceilings, coffered wooden ceilings, wooden panel ceilings, villa ceiling designs, hotel and amp, resort ceilings, office wooden ceilings, restaurant ceiling designs, customized designer ceilings. Our wooden ceilings are available in a variety of finishes and styles, including natural wood finish, teak wood finish, walnut finish, oak wood finish, matte finish, high gloss finish, classic carved finish, rustic wood finish, customized luxury finishes. We are committed to delivering superior quality, outstanding craftsmanship, and innovative design solutions. Every project is executed with precision to ensure a perfect blend of luxury, functionality, and architectural beauty. We provide complete design, manufacturing, supply, and installation services across India. Worldwide shipping and project support are also available for international clients. For orders, custom designs, quotations, or additional information, please contact us today. Telephone receiver call or WhatsApp now. Fedisa Company, transforming interiors with luxury wooden ceiling solutions. Thank you.